So yesterday you did graphing from an equation. Okay. So as if we were graphing from y equals 2x plus 3. Okay. So that's what we did yesterday. And for a quick little review, what you would do is you would graph the y-intercept first. You go to 3. Then we graph our slope, which is 2 over 1. So we go up 2 over 1. And then we would draw a perfect line. Okay. So today what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at what if we don't have a y-intercept? What if we only have a point and a slope? Okay, so this is our point here, and this is our slope here. So the first thing we do, it's just like what we did here. It's exactly the same, but instead of graphing the y-intercept, we graph the point first. Let's graph 4, 2. What we do is we go over 4, up 2, and we graph that point. Then, so we did that step. Then the second one is from the point, apply the slope. So our slope is minus 3 over 2. This is our rise, this is our run. So we're going to go down. We're going to go down 3, so 1, 2, 3. We're going to go over 2, 1, 2. We're going to put our line in here. So that's minus 3 over 2. Then once we have that, then we connect the 2 with a line. And boom. There's our new line. That's as easy as it can be. So first step, graph the point, which was right here. Let me see that again. So first step, graph the point. Second step is graph the rise over run. And the third was drawing a line. So let's practice this. So here we go. Let's over touch so you read the whole question. So first things first. Let's graph the point. So the point is -1, 2. So I'm going to go back to -1. That's our x component. Our points are written xy. So we're going to go -1 and then up 2. So right here. Then we're going to apply the slope. So 5 over 2. So 5 over 2. Rise over run. We're going to go 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 over. 1, 2. So 5 up, 2 over, and here's our new point right there. Then the last step, we are going to connect the 2 dots. Let's try to move this one. And boom. There we go. We've graphed the line. We'll do a bunch of these for practice. I'll do this one here first. If you think you have it, pause the video and try it, and then come back and see if you did it the same as I did. So first step, graph the point. -3, -2. Remember x, y. So I'm going to go back, -3, and down 2. And there's our point. Then, next step, graph the slope. So slope is 5. So you have to remember it's 5 over 1. So rise and run. So we're going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's up 5, and we're going over 1. 1. So there's our second point, right there. Then the third step is to draw a line. There we go. Oops, I forgot to draw a third step here. So I'm going to give you a minute to kind of work ahead on this. I'll see where you got to. So I'm going to start right now. So if you haven't got it done right now, pause it. If you have, let's see how you did. So let's first graph the point, 4, 2. So we're going in 4, up 2. So here's our first point. Then our second part is apply the slope from the point. So 1 over 1. So that means we're going to go up 1 and over 1. 1, 1. So there's our point. And then we are going to draw a line. Good. Now this one here I've changed up a little bit. Okay. So if you look, I gave you a point right here, but I gave you a y-intercept, right? Now the y-intercept is just another point, right? In this case, the y-intercept, if we were to make it a number, it would be 0, 2. So do this, exact same thing. Graph the point. So let's graph the point 4, 2, over 4, up 2, boom. Then we graph the y-intercept. Now the y-intercept is just where it crosses the y-axis, so it's going to be here. Then last thing we do is we just draw a line. There we go. I want you to try this one by yourself real quick. As you wait for me, pause the video if you're not done yet. If not, I'm going to start. So graph the point, -2, 3, so back to up 3. And my y-intercept is 5. So that means I'm going to go up to 5, put my dot. Then lastly, draw my line. And boom. And that's it for today. So hopefully that's nice and simple. You have a worksheet to do. You have a worksheet, a quiz, and a Desmos. And it shouldn't take you, oh sorry, you just have a worksheet to do and a little quiz, which should be nice and simple. Okay, have a good day.